everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi, and today I'm going to show you chilled tofu with Japanese salsa. Chilled tofu with some sort of topping is the most classic way for Japanese people to eat tofu. We just cut tofu into blocks without cooking or anything, just chilled, and garnish it with grated ginger, spring onion or green onion, put some soy sauce and we eat it. But the topping for chilled tofu can be anything, and today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese salsa that goes really well with chilled tofu. These are what you need: 1 pack tofu, 1 tomato, Japanese ginger, some green onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. And this one is called Japanese ginger or ginger bud. But this is not the bud of that ginger. It's different plant. Same family but different plant. It has very unique flavor, which is almost like a shallot. But if you can't find this Japanese ginger, you can just use some shallot. Let's cut this Japanese ginger first. This bottom end is dried out, so just cut it off. Cut it in half, long way. Then you slice. Then slice. Thinly. Let's put this in this bowl here. Then green onion, cut the bottom off. Cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, then slice. Again, thinly. And into the bowl. Tomato, cut it in half. Cut the stem off. And dice this, just like you're making salsa sauce. We have all the vegetable already in this bowl here. Now I'm going to season this with salt and sesame oil. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and mix this well. 1 teaspoon salt seems a little bit too much for the amount of vegetable, but you need it. You're eating this salsa with tofu, then tofu is very plain and watery, so make sure to season the vegetable really well. When you taste this as is, you will think this salsa is too salty, but that's the way it should be. It is supposed to be very salty. Once mixed, cover it with a plastic film and let it sit in fridge about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes resting, you can see the salsa is a lot juicy or saucy. Let's serve. I have chilled tofu here. It's not cooked, it's just chilled. And I'm going to cut it into 8 blocks. Let's serve it on this plate. Presentation, and then this Japanese salsa goes on top. And it's good to go. So easy and so simple. That's all for today. Japanese salsa that I made today is a game changer for a lot of people. People start liking tofu after trying it with this Japanese salsa. I hope you like it too. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!